Hello friends, in today's session we are going to discuss how to create or alter the stock item or stock group. We are also going to discuss how to create the unit of measurement or how to alter the unit of measurement in Tally Prime 4.0. So let us start today's discussion. On the gateway of Tally, you will find the master menu. Under the master menu, you will find the create option. Again, when you select the create option, you will find the list of the master in front of you. Under the list of the master, you will have to go under the inventory master. So right now inventory master is not appearing here. So what I have to do, I have to go on the gateway of Tally. From the gateway of Tally, I am have to press F11 from my keyboard. Again, when I press F11 from my keyboard, I will find the sum of the feature for the purpose of making yes or no. So here you will find the inventory option. Under the inventory option, if you want to maintain the inventory, then you have to press yes here. So I am right down pressing the maintain inventory option yes. Now I have to press enter till the last and I have to press accept as yes. Now whenever you go in the create menu, now you will find the inventory master appearing here. Now at first we are going for the how to create the unit of measurement in Tally Prime 4.0. So first I am creating the unit. So under the inventory master you will find the unit option. So I am selecting on the unit. Now you will find the unit creation window will appear. Here I will write down the name of my unit. So my name of the unit is kg. What is the formal name? So formal name is kgs and number of decimal point if you want, then I am right now here 3. Same for example 5 kg or 500 grams. So I am write down number of decimal point, write down 3 and I press enter. My unit of measurement is created. Suppose I want to alter this unit of measurement, then what I will do, I will again go on the alter menu from the gateway of Tally. Here under the inventory master, I will select the unit option and I will select here from the list of unit the particular unit which I want to change. So I am selecting here kg which we have created. So instead of kg I am writing down the kgs dot and I press enter till the last. Now you will find that my unit is changed from kg to kgs dot. Now we will learn how to create particular stock group in Tally Prime 4.0. So from the create menu you will have to go under the inventory master. You have to select the stock group. So I am selecting the stock group. Here I will write down name of the group. Same for example, I am writing down the name of the group raw material. So I am writing down the name of the my stock group as a raw material. Raw material is under the primary category. So I am selecting here primary and saving down my setting. So my stock group is now created. Now suppose I want to create the particular stock item. So I will select the stock item from the inventory master. Here I will write down the stock item. Here I have to write down the group under which the particular stock item will appear. So we have already created the raw material group. So I am selecting the raw material group here. I have to select the particular unit of measurement which we have already created. So I am selecting, writing down the unit, that is kgs, and I am saving down the setting. If you want to save the setting fast, then control plus A is the shortcut to save the particular setting in Tally Prime 4.0. So instead of pressing uh, enter till last, you can also press control plus A from your keyboard. So again when you press control plus A, your stock item is saved. Now, if you want to alter the particular stock item or stock group, then you have to go under the alter menu from the gateway of Tally. Here you will find the inventory master. Here if you want to change the particular stock group, then just go on the stock group. Here you will find the list of the stock group. Select the particular group. Here suppose I want, instead of raw material, I want finished goods. Then I will write down finished goods and press enter. Now if you will find that my stock group is changed from raw material to finished good. Same way, if you want to change the particular stock item, then you have to go from the alter menu. Under the inventory master, you will find the stock item. Select the stock item, select the particular stock item if you want, which you want to alter, and here you will write down the name of the particular stock item. You can amend as per your convenient whatever you want, and press Ctrl plus A to save the alteration. Now you will find that your stock item, unit of measurement and stock group in your Tally Prime 4.0. So I hope you will understand this, how to create or alter unit of measurement, stock item or stock group. Thank you.